You think you can stop something that was never meant to be controlled. I'm a force of nature, something you can't contain. The sky bends when I call your name. The wind obeys, the oceans divide. The storm itself stands at my side. I command the thunder, I command the rain. Every drop echoes through your pain. The ground will shake beneath your feet. You don't survive what you can't defeat. You wanted power, you wanted war. Now you're facing something more. Not a man, not a king, but the end of everything. I'm a force of nature you cannot restrain. I command the storm, I command the rain. Lightning answers when I call. You don't stand, you fall. You wanted to face me, how foolish you are. My power is rising far too far. This isn't rage, this isn't a game. This is the world calling my name. Taste of power, drink the crimson flame. Feel the weight that reshapes your name. Break their will, bend the sky, take the throne. I'll give you dominion, you were never alone. Taste of fire, swear by blood and stone. Watch the weak fall beneath your own. Rise in flame, let them fear the name. If you call, I'll answer, I'll give you the flame. The winds don't whisper, they scream for me. The tides don't move, they kneel to me. The fire doesn't burn, it obeys. The storm doesn't strike, it prays. You see destruction, I see design. Every element falls in line. You thought chaos meant no control, but I am the order within the storm. Step too close, you disappear. You feel that pressure, that's fear. Not of death, not of pain, but something you can't contain. I'm a force of nature you cannot restrain. I command the storm, I command the rain. Thunder cracks at my command. You don't fight, you understand. You wanted to face me, now look what you've done. You didn't fight me, you woke the one. This is no warning, no time to explain. I am the storm you cannot contain. Let go, I already did. Then take everything, then watch me become it. I am the storm, I am the flame, I am the force.